The tunnel boring machine working in the Tianshan-Shengli Tunnel, China's longest expressway tunnel under construction in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, is equipped with 58 disc cutters. The cutting-edge disc cutters are made by Lingyuan Technology, located in Jilin Province, northeast China.
在天山隧道，我们遇到了难题。以前的刀具上去之后，10几公分，决定半个小时，设备就要停。通过了3、4个月，创新制造了一个咱们新型的一个一体化的这个刀具，来解决了他们以前不可以叫重复决定的一个过程。在16年之前，完全的是叫进口。之前卖给咱们中国的一个价位在小20万人民币，而且是不可以重复使用的。通过我们在16年之后，我们的优化，制作成新的，完完全全卡脖子可以替代的国产化。
Stretching for 22 kilometers, the Tianshan-Shengli Tunnel is a crucial part of the 1,300-kilometer expressway linking Urumqi, capital of China's Xinjiang, with Yuli County in central Xinjiang. The construction of the tunnel, launched in 2020, is expected to be completed in 2025. The Urumqi-Yuli Expressway will then become an arterial road connecting northern and southern Xinjiang and shorten the travel time from Urumqi to Kuala from 7 hours to 3 hours.